Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to another video, and if you're in this channel for the first time, welcome. If you don't know yet, my name is Patricia and I'm an artist and art teacher. I create drawing courses online for beginner artists so people can learn how to draw in an easy, simple and enjoyable way. Now for this video, my videos are always about drawing, but this time I'm starting a new hobby and I decided to share that with you. So I'm going to use air dry clay for the first time. I bought the supplies I needed, such as the clay itself that I didn't have at home, the little accessories for the things I want to make, for the little trinkets. I want to make some magnets and some earrings, so I bought the things needed for that. And so yeah, I think this is it. As always, grab a drink, grab a snack. I'm not having a snack this time around because I'm going to get my hands really dirty. But yeah, sit comfortably and come start a new hobby with me. I'm kind of making it up as I go. I don't know a lot about sculpting or molding stuff with clay. I did a ceramics workshop some time ago, which was really fun, and I did learn a few things. But as I do this for the video for at home, I do forget most of it. As I do it, you'll notice that I will forget about scoring the pieces when I want to glue them together. I don't have a mix of water and clay to act as a glue, but that's okay. I'll try to remember that more often later. The shapes are also really hard. I wanted to do smaller stuff, but it was really hard to get the shape I wanted. So this is basically the best I could do. So if you do this kind of thing, if you use clay, air dry or not, do you have any tips for me? Let me know if you do, because I'm really into this right now and I want to do more and learn more. Of course, I need to do more research and yeah, learn a bit more. But if you do have any tips, let me know in the comments, okay? Painting these pieces was a bit frustrating because I had to add several layers. I'm not sure if it's because some of these paints I have at home are cheap, but I did have to go over and over very often until the colorant wasn't transparent anymore. I don't know if you need any specific type of paint. I think acrylic paints are fine. I'll have to do more research on that. But for now, I'll use what I have. But I might need to get better paints and hopefully it will go better. But yeah, I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on a new hobby yet. It's all about testing stuff and trying it out. Maybe I wouldn't like it as much as I thought I would. So I decided to just get the necessary stuff to start with and use whatever else I had at home. faces were also really hard for me to draw. My hands tremble a lot and it's hard to keep controlling the brush without making a mess. But I did my best. I actually bought a brush just for this, a very thin brush for this. But even then, I found it very hard to draw the faces. They are a bit weird and silly, but later I did realize while researching and trying to figure out how I can change the process of drawing the faces on clay stuff. I did learn that you can actually use markers on clay, for example, acrylic markers, and that makes things much easier. I did try it out. I redid most of the faces that way, so it wasn't so weird and clumsy. It's still not really the best I can do, but we're getting there. I had some trouble with the varnish as well, not a lot, nothing too bad, and again, pretty sure this is an issue of me not knowing what the heck I'm doing, but with some pieces, as I applied the varnish, the paint started to dilute and go over the place. It's okay, it's fine, I'm not angry about it, I just don't know why it happened. Everything was properly dry, I think. I know maybe I can also test that, leave the pieces to dry for longer, because I admit I was so excited I rushed things a bit, but overall everything dried for at least a day or 24 hours. So yeah, I'm not sure if it needed longer or some of the paint didn't really agree with the varnish. I'm not sure. But anyway, once everything is nice and dry, it was time to assemble everything. I really wanted to make some clip-on earrings. I used to have my ears pierced, but don't anymore. And sometimes I felt like wearing fun earrings, but usually it's hard to find clip-on earrings, at least fun earrings. So I thought of making my own. When I was thinking what could I do with the clay at home, that was one of the ideas, making clip-on earrings, and that way I can wear fun earrings. Magnets also seem to be a cute and easy trinket to make. Even though they look a bit silly, it's still something unique to have on my fridge, and well, I can practice more. I do look forward to making more trinkets, earrings, maybe pins. I think that could be fun, and maybe something bigger like a candle or an incense holder, maybe both, and just overall keep learning. Like, these aren't perfect, but I accept them as they are because I'm still learning. You can't be perfect and super good at something that you just started. So this is a start, and I look forward to learn more. Let me know if you'd like to see more videos where I make things out of clay, because I would very much enjoy that, but I wanted to know your opinion. These were all definitely really fun to make, and I can't wait to wear them. Some very colorful earrings, especially now in the winter where everything is so gray, so dark. I love winter, but I feel like we kind of dismiss colors during winter, and I don't know why. Colors should be present during the whole year, so I can't wait to rock these earrings outside. So yeah, I think this is it. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. I mentioned this last week, but I just launched a new update for my Character Quest class. It's all about drawing different types of bodies, different body proportions in a cartoony style, and you can find that on Gumroad, or if you have a Skillshare subscription, you can also watch it on Skillshare. I'll leave a link below, and if you use that link, you'll get access for 1 month for free. So I think this is all I wanted to tell you. Again, thank you so much for watching the video to the end. I wish you a good day and I will see you next time. Bye bye!